Question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Shayyad and David, are sitting at equal distance of the boundary, each having the toy telephone in his hand to talk with each other. Find the length of the string of each of the phone. Here, as shown in figure, these three people, Ankur, Shayyad and David, are sitting and they have the string to talk with each other. We have to find the length of the string. Now, as per the information, the circle with center O is represent a park and a point A as D represent the position of Ankur, Shayyad and David. Hence, since we know that Ankur, Shayyad and David are sitting at an equal distance from each other, hence triangle, the bigger triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. As Ankur, Shayyad and David are sitting equal distance to each other, hence ASD is an equilateral triangle. Now taking suppose SM is equal to X meter, so SD is equal to 2 of SM. These two are equal, hence SD is equal to 2SM, which is equal to 2x. Now, as the triangle ASD is the equilateral triangle, the formula for the equilateral triangle is root 4 into side root 3 by 4 into side square. So, root 3 by 4 into side square, here side is 2x, here this is x, hence it becomes 2x. So, side is 2x square. Now, 2x square, so root 3 x square is the remaining one. Why? 2 2s are 4. 4x square, 4 will cancel. X square will be remaining. So root 3 x square as per the equation number 1. Now, as in the given figure, OMS is measure angle M is equal to 90 degree. Hence, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem as we had earlier discussed in the earlier question also. So, OM is the hypotenuse, so OM square is equal to, OM square is equal to, you can see the figure, OM this is OM, this is 90 degree, hence OM and SM, here SO is equal to the hypotenuse. SO is equal to hypotenuse. Hence we can write that OM square is equal to OS square minus SM square. That only return OM square is equal to OS minus SM. OS is given 20, SM is x. Hence square of 20 is equal to, hence the square of 20. Hence the square of 20 is equal to 400 minus x square. As per the Pythagoras theorem, OS is the hypotenuse, this OM is the one side, so OM square is equal to OS square minus SM square. OS is given 20, SM is x, 20 square is 400 minus x square. Hence, OM square is equal to OM square, sending square on the other side of the equation, so it becomes root. So OM is equal to root 400 minus x square. Now triangle OSD, which is equal to the area of triangle OSD is half into side into altitude. So half into SD is 2, x into OM is 400 minus x square. Hence by cancelling 2, remaining term is x into root 400 minus x square, equation number 2. Now as in the given figure, here 3 triangles, you can see in the figure there are 3 triangles in the bigger one, that all the 3 triangles are equal to each other. Here OAS, OSD and triangle ODA and triangle ODA, they all are equal. Hence the area for the bigger triangle is equal to the sum of area of all the three triangles. Sum of area of all the three triangles. So these three are equal. Hence we can write that 3 into triangle OSD, because we know the area of the triangle OSD and they are all are equal. Now ASD is equal to root 3x square, which we had in the equation number 1, and is equal to 3 into OSD in the equation number 2 we had find. OSD in equation number 2 we had find 3 into x root 400 minus x square. Now x square is equal to 3 into 400 minus x square. Now multiplying by 300 into 400, it becomes 1200. So 1200 minus x square. Hence it becomes 1200 minus 3 into x. 3 into 400 is 1200 minus 3 into x square, so 3x square. Hence your equation become x square is equal to 1200 minus 300 square. Sending minus 300 on another side of the equation, it becomes minus 3x square plus 1x square, it becomes 4x square. Hence 4x square is equal to 1200. So x square is equal to 300. X square is equal to 300. Hence x is equal to root 300. Root 300, it means 3 into 100. Sending 100 out of the equation, it becomes 10 root 3. Hence what we had supposed, x is equal to, we had suppose x is equal to 10 root 3. We had suppose x is equal to x is equal to Sm. So SD is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 10 root 3 is equal to 20 root 3 is equal to 20 root 3. Fine, thank you for today. Be at home, stay safe. And yesterday I had sent the worksheet in 9th A group. Today we'll send in the 9th B also. Compulsory today 9th A, 9th B, complete the worksheet and send the reply. Thank you for today. Bye.